Good morning, everybody. Today's a special day. We get to celebrate the beginning of some very, very exciting things ahead for our children's hospital. All these beautiful children are construction workers. We're going to ask them to throw paintballs to this glass that you see here that will mark the demolition of our children's Marshall Street Pavilion. Count with me, crowd. 1, 2, 3. When you walk in and you experience care here, you know that something is different. These rooms that we're going to be building, 86 of them, will be private rooms dedicated to our children and families, all with private restrooms, all adorned to speak to our families, to speak to our children.
Our community needs us. Richmond needs us, and without question, we need to have a facility that is complete. The importance of what we're doing here is we're focusing on the needs of children, and all of their needs at all levels.
There's also a nice coincidence here, and I will call your attention to those kites behind me. Tomorrow, May 5th, is Children's Day in Japan, Kodomo no Hi. And on Children's Day, you will see these kites flying from almost every house to celebrate children and what they do and what they mean. We're flying them today because truly today is Children's Day for all the children in Richmond, in Central Virginia, and Virginia. Richmond, this is your children's hospital. I thank you all.